Hello, hello. How's it going today? Okay, we got a new workflow for you. This one is for creating YouTube titles, description, and thumbnail image. So I'll show you how it works first. Okay, so we'll paste our raw job description here. Okay, great. So we'll submit that. We'll show you what that looks like over here in execution. Okay, it just finished. You see it takes about a minute and a half or something like that. That's the image generation basically. So first of all, it's just a form, and I'm putting a raw transcript in the form of like a job description, and then we have a nice prompt here. This prompt, the user, what we're giving is just the raw provided transcript, right? Whatever you paste into there. But then for the guts of this machine, the bottom is going to have my affiliate links, which I like to include. Right, we're going to output 3 titles and then a description. So yeah, and this is image generation. I'm just using an API call here because at least the last time I checked, the node doesn't support 1.5, and that's what I like to use. These steps are just converting the output into usable format, into I think a PNG file, and then I'm resizing it, and then I'm setting myself the details. I'll show you how that looks right here. Boom. You see here's an image. I'll just download that so you can get a copy, so you can see how that looks. File.ping. Could rename the file too. But you see there's 3 titles here. And the job is about a dental. Okay. And here's the description right here. I should probably label this as nicer. All right. Then it includes my affiliate links here. This part that I like to have on the bottom. And boom, I just paste this into YouTube. So this is something that helps me streamline my process here. If you're interested, the workflow is available for free in our free community. Please come join us. And if you have any questions, come join us there. Take care. Bye.